He was so good too. Ma'am, I don't even know what to say right now. Ma'am, can you call me back tomorrow? I'm having a tough time right now.
I will call you back tomorrow.
I'll give you my cell phone number because I'm gonna be at work. I work at Ted's Hot Dogs in Tonawanda. Oh, oh God. Okay.
515.
It's 515
0 91.
8091. Don't call the other number because my father will probably pick up and he's evil. Oh, he's mentally challenged and he's evil.
Well, I just want to thank you, Gary, for letting me know that I've been still looking for that cat for the longest time.
If you want to call the cops on my father, go ahead. He beats me every day. I'm sick of it. Oh, God. Oh. Ma'am, I gotta go. I hear my father coming up the steps. Ma'am, call me tomorrow.
I will.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, I'm sorry. I love you.
Bye.
Okay.